Hello, everyone. This is Julie HR, and I want to go over my open enrollment checklist. I know many of you are already purchasing a lot of my open enrollment materials to include like rate sheets and brochures and whatnot. And I just want to go over this enrollment checklist that has over 100 action items. You know that open enrollment, you've got to start early from strategy and planning. And I just wanted to get this in front of you because probably within the next week, you're probably going to start your planning sessions should your open enrollment be um, effective 20, like the beginning of January 2027. So as you can see, this isn't just a couple of lines. It's about 108, 109 drop downs. It's one workbook, easy. 3 tabs, has the open enrollment checklist, instructions, and then drop downs. And those are very easy to edit. This is in Google Docs and also it's in Excel and Google Sheets. You'll see there's a phase, task, description, key considerations, the department, and you can change those up. Start date, due date, status, and deliverable in the evidence. And I've actually scheduled this one to start actually August the 3rd, 2026, and the open enrollment period to be 10 days. However, you may want to increase that to 3 weeks depending on how large your organization is. But I just went with that. You can see the simple drop downs. But this really helps guide. It's a great roadmap. Some of the benefits as mentioned, 108 items over 11 phases from early planning through enrollment to go live to follow up, such as the deductions that the payroll has to come out of payroll for the employees, for the budgeting of the benefits. There's just so much that goes into this people to understand. And you as HR professionals need to make sure that you hit on all of them. Start to finish roadmap, follow a structured timeline covering review, vendors, compliance, communication system, payroll, and audits. Clear ownership and deadlines, fewer missed details. Year after year, people have loved this particular template. I've updated it. So I think it went from maybe 70 lines to 100 lines because I just added some more that I thought would be very beneficial. It also has instructions, an instructions tab, what to do, why it matters, example, best practice, and then owners, and then some important essentials. It's easy to edit in Google Sheets and also Excel. And as always, be sure to like this particular template on my Etsy page, and you typically get a particular percentage off. So with that being said, I'm going to close out of this, and I'm actually going to go into the actual spreadsheet itself. As you can see, it's easy breezy. Phases, strategy and planning from confirming your open enrollment objectives and then completed. Drop downs, what's the deliverable? And then benefits review, inventory all benefits, current benefits inventory. And I have a lot of other templates. I created this like 1-page benefit sheet that you could actually use. Just go on under benefits and take a look. Needs and benchmarking, collect employee benefits feedback. That's always very important. Maybe get some feedback results. And here's like your start and your end date. Maybe give them like a week or so. Analyze employee feedback. You've got to look at your vendors. How you may even need a sheet and on how to, how have they been this year? Have they been supporting you? Compare their new plans they're offering you. Look at how the benefits were used in the past year. Review spending and savings accounts. Then always you're going to be utilizing those in finance and accounting to assist you with finalizing your plans. Which plans are you going to be picking? As HMO, point of service, PPO, whatnot, so that you hit the budget and whatnot. Compliance and records, HRIS, payroll and setup, and communications. Benefit comparison tools. I'm sure you've always planned to do one-on-ones with your employees, and launching open enrollment. So this is pretty in-depth, but you will not really miss a beat if you go step by step. It just really helps with a lot of things. Please note, here's the instructions, drop downs that you can change. I'm here if you have any questions. I'm always here to help. I hope everyone has had a wonderful weekend, and hopefully you're off to a wonderful August. So be sure to like this video. Also subscribe for future videos, and also hit the bell notifications. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful day.